Good day, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. So we are the country and we're going to perform the story of the rainbow. Once upon a time, all of the colors in the world started to quarrel. Each claimed that he or she was the best, the most important, the most useful, the favorite. Green said,
Clearly, I am the most important. I'm a sign of life and of hope. I was chosen for grass, trees, trees. Without me, all the animals would die. Look over the countryside and you will see that I am the most.
Blue interrupting.
You only think about the earth, but consider the sky and the sea. It is water that the places would fly, the clouds, you can no see. The sky gives space and the space consideration. Without like this, you would all be nothing but this.
Yellow shuffle.
You are also silly. I bring laughter, gaiety, and warmth. Every time I hear the sun color, the whole world starts to smile. Without me, there wouldn't be no fun.
Orange started next to blow her own trumpet.
I am the color of health and strength. I may be scarce, but I am precious. For I serve all needs of human life. I carry the most important vitamins, carrots, pumpkins, oranges, and apples. I don't hang around all the time, but when I feel the sky at sunrise or the sunset, my beauty is so striking that no one gets from the past of anything.
Red would stand no longer. He shouted out.
I am the ruler of the earth, like that. I am the color of danger and bravery. I have made it to fight for a foe. I breathe fire in the blood. Without me, the earth would be as empty as the moon. I am the color of passion and of love. I am Valerios, Poinsettia, and Love.
Purple rose up to his full height. He was very tall and he spoke with great power. Indigo spoke much more quietly than all the others, but just and glittered mildly.
Think of me. I am the holder of the cycles. Guard me and defeat. Without me, the owner of the earth can stop.
And so the colors went on boasting, each convinced that they were the best. Their quarreling became louder and louder. I am the most important. Suddenly, there was a startling flash of brilliant white lightning. Thunder rolled up and bounced. The colors all crouched down in fear, drawing close to one another for comfort. The rain spoke.
You foolish colors, fighting among yourselves, trying to dominate the rest. Do you not know that God made you all? It's for a special purpose, unique and different. He loves you all. He wants you all. Join hands with one another and you'll be free. He will stretch you across the sky in a great bowl of color as a reminder that He loves you all, that He can live in peace, a promise that He is with you, a sign of hope for tomorrow.
And so, whenever God has used a good rainbow